Moomoo vs Syfe. Let's start with Moomoo. Moomoo is a commission-free trading platform offering real-time market data, stock, and ETF trading, and it has a powerful charting tool. It's best for DIY investors and traders. Syfe, on the other hand, is a robo-advisor and wealth platform based in Singapore, offering automated ETF portfolios, REITs, cash management, and now also brokerage services, and it's great for hands-off investors. So let's talk about their pros. Momo offers a zero commissions for US stocks and ETFs. It also has an advanced charting and trading tools. It also has access to global markets. It has a fast onboarding and fractional shares and great for active traders. The only downside is it has a platform that can feel overwhelming for beginners. Now, Syfe, on the other hand, is an automated portfolio tailored to your goals. Also has a regulated and safe long-term investing. It also has the option to invest in cash management products. It has a new brokerage features which allows you to stock ETF in investing in Singapore or US dollars. And it has excellent passive investors. The only downside is it has a small fee on managed portfolios and it has a limited customization for portfolios. So choose Moomoo if you want to trade actively and research stocks and use real-time tools across multiple markets. And go with Syfe if you want automated investing, a simple long-term wealth plan, or low-risk cash management options.